guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to show you guys another limited edition by LookFantastic. This one is the Father's Day edition box. Do you want to know what's in this box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this is the LookFantastic Father's Day box. They did send me this for review. So thank you so much, LookFantastic, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now this box is designed for a Father's Day gift. It was a collab with Mankind. I think it's super exciting and I cannot wait to dive in to see what kind of products are going to be in here to show you guys. This box, a little bit of information about it. This is $55, but I do have a code down below that'll get you yours $10 off. So this whole entire box would only be $45. It does have a retail value of over $170, and when I added everything up, I got $174.30 to be exact. That does not include the actual box. Now let's talk about this box. Look how nice and big this is. You can definitely reuse this for anything. It is a really nice constructed box. So right here it says LookFantastic, Mankind, Father's Day, and on the top it says to the most dad. So you could probably even write a name right there if you wanted to. But then you have this really nice constructed box to use for whatever afterwards. So enough about the amazing box, even though this is really nice. Let's go ahead and go on the inside and see what's all going to be in here. You ready? Whoop. So there's a better little sneak peek to inside of the box. Whoa, there's a lot of good products, and you guys, I'm seeing some really good brands in there. Ooh, some fathers are gonna get some really good stuff. That is so cool. So there is a little brochure and it says, "You're the best guy I know. Father's Day." What's inside the box? And it'll go over all of the items. And it looks like there's 9 different products. So let's go ahead and just start grabbing some stuff out. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is ESPA, which that is a really good brand. This is Energizing Shower Gel, and that is what that looks like. This is valued for $11.48. Kickstart your morning routine with this energizing bath and shower gel from ESPA. Infused with the brand's signature blends, this formula emits a fatigue-fighting aroma that envelops the skin and recharges the complexion. A blend of stimulating peppermint, enlivening eucalyptus, and clarifying rosemary contribute to the luxurious lather that will leave you feeling refreshed and ready for the day ahead. So that is really cool, especially for a man to give them a shower gel. So there's the first guy right there. Okay, so next we have, it says Man Cave AntiPollution Face Serum. Helps to protect and defend against visible effects of pollution. Ooh, okay, so that's what the packaging looks like. This is valued for $13.80. It says skin is exposed to all sorts of pollution in urban life. Help combat these external aggressors with this anti-pollution face serum. Apply to the face and neck until fully absorbed. Preferably part of your AM routine to maximize effectiveness throughout the day. The serum helps fight against the key signs of visible stress to the skin, while extracts help to stimulate the skin's natural antioxidants. And this one is a 50 ml. And again, this right here is valued for $13.80. So there's that. 2 down. Ooh, this is a good size. What is this? It says Menu 3-minute Detox Excess Oil Remover Ultra Concentrate. The quick action formula gets to work by effectively removing dirt and impurities from the skin surface. This will help to unclog pores and leave skin feeling revitalized. The deep cleansing ingredients help remove unwanted shine and maximize excess oil. And this is valued for $24.95. So you have a 3-minute detox excess oil remover. What does it say to do? Wash and rinse face and neck. Dry skin with a towel. Apply an even layer of detox, avoiding the eye area. Allow the product to dry 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. Store in a cool, dry place. So that is really neat. They have a little, kind of like a little face mask to help with oil. That's cool. So the next we have is Nip plus Fab Exfoliant. This 3-in-1 micro exfoliant infused with acids to help eradicate dirt and environmental aggressors from the skin surface while deeply cleansing the complexion to reduce the appearance of pores, as well as renewing the skin surface. This scrub helps to reduce the look of blemishes through the skin, leaving the complexion feeling softer and brighter. And this guy right here is valued for $14.95. So then now we have is a multi-balm fragrance-free e-cooking. This is valued for $28.20. Repair the skin surface with this efficient multi-balm from the Colt Danish range. E-cooking, this multi-balm utilizes organic and natural ingredients for maximum effect. Infused with vitamin E and multitasking miracle balm, melts effortlessly into dry or sensitive skin to soothe and comfort. The balm helps lock in moisture for a hydrated look that lasts. That's different. So that is just an all-over balm that you can use anywhere that you feel you need a little moisture. It says extremely moisturizing for dry skin and lips. Oh, you can even put it on your lips too, with organic argan oil and olive oil. That sounds neat. So you have an all-over fragrance-free balm for moisture. We still have quite a few products still in here. So this one right here says Barber Grade Tonics, Hawkins and Brimble, born in London, natural grooming. It says daily energizing moisturizer. For the guys that work hard but play harder, this handy on-the-go moisturizer is your new best friend. Packed full of hydrating natural oils and seed extracts, this handy little bottle packs a punch in your daily skincare routine. Fortifying omega-3 and 6 and vitamin E help boost your skin's defense against dullness and roughness and restore pH balance. And this is like a glass container. So this is more of like an on-the-go if you wanted to keep it in your vehicle, book bag, gym bag, anything like that, or just leave it at home and use it whenever you want some moisturizer. So that is really neat. And this is the Hawkins and Brimble. This is valued for $22.95 and just this guy right here. So let's keep on going. And now we have is a Marvis. This is the mint flavored toothpaste. This is an 85 ml. So that's what it looks like out of the box. This is valued for $10.50. And it says transform your teeth cleaning ritual with this mint toothpaste. This luxury Italian toothpaste brand brings a refreshing, creamy toothpaste with an added bonus of whitening while brushing. Developed to keep teeth and gums healthy while preventing decay. A gentle formula to cleanse and condition the teeth without irritation. And I have seen this brand quite a bit and I've got like little samples and I really did like it. So it's really cool that they included a full size of this and not just like one of the smaller ones that I normally see around. So that's neat. They have a full size product of toothpaste. And then there's still 2 more items in here. Holy moly, this is a good box. This is a good box. So this right here is Rituals, and I really, really like this brand. This is Groom to Perfection Sport Body Lotion, Organic Bamboo and Cypress. I bet you that smells good. And this is made for men, so they're not gonna think they're just getting some girly perfume. This is a sport scented body lotion. That's amazing. This is valued for $17.50. And it says, this intensely hydrating and deeply purifying body lotion is inspired by the traditions of Japanese samurai warriors. Enriched with bamboo, this multi-action lotion helps to refresh skin and exfoliate deep into the pores. Japanese mint creates a cooling effect to refresh the senses after exercise. So that sounds really neat. And this again is valued for $17.50. That's a big bottle, you guys. And this says that it's 8.4 fluid ounce, 250 milliliter. That's a good size, especially for a lotion. So there's the packaging. So there is a Rituals product of body lotion, which I'm sure smells, let me see. Let me smell it. Let's see what it's gonna smell like. Ooh, that does smell good, especially manly. I'd be like, babe, lotion up. You're gonna be smelling good today. The last product is a product by Elemis, you guys. This right here is valued for $30. Let's get this opened. What are you? This is a superfood facial wash, a probiotic gel cleanser. It says for all skin types, nourishes, cleanses, and replenishes. So I do like the superfood. So that's really cool that they included a face wash because men need to wash their face and take care of their skin as well. So again, this is valued for $30 and it says boost your skin's natural elasticity with the nutrient-rich superfood formula. Using a cocktail of natural ingredients such as wheatgrass and kale, this nourishing face wash helps restore the skin's natural radiant glow. Avocado and pumpkin seed oil are combined to deliver health prebiotics to leave skin balanced and feeling refreshed. That sounds amazing. There's a lot of good brands in this box. This is a really good Father's Day box. I think this is a great box for a man. Like, I think they did amazing with all of the different products because men do need to take care of their skin as well, even if they don't want to think that they do. They should, and this would kickstart them to use it. If they have the product sitting there, they're probably going to use them. So a quick recap of everything that was in this Father's Day box, one more time, is you have the Elemis Superfood Face Wash, you have the Rituals Body Lotion, you have the ESPA Shower Gel, you have the Exfoliating Scrub, you have a Daily Energizing Moisturizer, you have the 3-minute Detox Excess Oil Remover. You have an all-around balm to use, a full-size toothpaste, and a face serum. That is a whole lot of products, and that is an amazing box. These are great products. So LookFantastic and Mankind did amazing picking out the products to put in this box. So again, this is normally $55, but if you follow my link down below, you can get this entire box for only $45. $45 is a great value for everything that's included. So if you want to jump on this and grab one of these before they sell out, then go ahead and follow my link, save that $10 and grab this entire box for only $45. This would be an amazing gift for any man in your life. If it is your father, if it's your husband, if it is your child, any man in your life would, I would assume, love this box. Father's Day is coming up this weekend. So if you have a man out there that you just like, I don't know what to do, this might be what you need. So follow that link if you want to go check it out. And yeah, so that is everything that I have for this Father's Day limited edition box by LookFantastic. I greatly do appreciate them sending it to me so I can show you guys. So give you a nice idea for a Father's Day gift for the father in your life. That's awesome. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.